physiological noise?
Physiological noise is instruction caused by some physiological process that interferes with the communication process. Communication is the process of transmitting information from one person to another.
So let's see the examples.
So, good morning, ma'am. This is my biodata.
What's your name?
My name is Julie R. Espinosa.
So why do you need to hire you?
You need to hire me, ma'am, because I'm consistent in this work and I'm intelligent. That's all.
Okay, thank you. Next.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. What's your name?
My name is Ana Lorraine Hugon.
Are you consistent in this job?
Yes, ma'am, because I'm hardworking person.
And why do we need to hire you?
Because
Miss? Miss? Oh my God, medic! Medic!
What happened to her? Let's bring her to the
She's
clinic.
collapsed. Let's bring her to clinic.
Hi, babe. Let's take a seat, babe. Babe, I have something to tell you. Let's stop this relationship. I'm not happy anymore. I'm so sorry, babe.
What? What's wrong with me, babe?
No,
Tell
babe.
me.
I have to go, babe.
Want you to stay, never go away from me. Stay forever, but now that you're gone.
Why are you crying? Are you okay?
Want you to stay, never go away from me. Stay forever, but now.
What happened to you? I don't understand, bro.
Are you okay?
No.
Why? What happened?
Because my girlfriend and
Bro, it's okay, bro. It's okay. You're here. We have your friends. It's okay, bro. It's okay. Want you to stay, never go away from me. Stay forever, but now that you're gone, all I can do is pray for you. Hey, girls.
Yes.
There's something I want to ask.
What is it?
Do you like Daniel?
No, it's a big no, man.
Hey, it's Daniel, right?
Yes.
Come on, let's go. Hey,
Ayan!
Rod!
Roniel! Hey, dude! Come on!
Okay, he's doing something, so let's keep going.